Namaste and welcome back to AYU-SHAALA, your space to explore the wisdom of Ayurveda. Today we will study the drug Dhanyaka, which is used in kitchen and as a spice. Now we will see its botanical features and its actions, etc. Starting with its botanical name, it is Coriandrum sativum, belongs to Apiaceae family. According to Charaka, he has included under the ganas, that is Trishna Nigrahana and Shita Prashamana. According to Sushruta and Vagbhata, they are included under Guduchyadi Gana. Coming to synonyms, it is Dhanyaka, that is which fruit resembles cereals, and Kustumburu, the smaller Tumburu Phala, and Chatradhanyam, that is inflorescence, it looks like umbels, and Dhanya Bija, Sugandhi, Sukshma Patra, these are several synonyms. Important ones are Kustumburu, Dhanyaka and Chatradhanyam. Coming to its morphology, it is a strong smelling annual herb and its leaves are trifoliate. Leaflets are ovate and leaves lower one are petiolate, upper ones are subsessile. Flowers are white umbels, fruits are subglobose. Its chemical constituents, they have a strong aroma. So they contain volatile oil, fixed oils, protein rich in vitamin A, especially in leaves. Now we will see its Rasapanchaka and Gunakarma. The first line and second line, we can observe its Rasa, Guna, Virya and Vipaka. That is Tuvara in first line and Tikta it is mentioned in second line. They are rasas. Tuvara means Kashaya Rasa and Tikta Rasa. Predominant of Tuvara and Tikta Rasa having Snigdha and Lagu Guna and Ushna Virya. And in second line Katu is also mentioned. So Kashaya, Katu, Tikta Rasas. And in third line you can see that Swadupaki. It has Madhura Vipaka. So Kashaya, Katu, Tikta Rasa, Ushna Virya, Madhura Vipaka with Snigdha and Lagu Guna. Its karmas are Avrishya, Mutrala, Deepana, Pachana, Jwaragna, Rochaka. You can go through this shloka and you can understand. Only the simple words are there. You can go through. Now coming to its matra, its fruit powder. So we have seen it is a umbels. So they are 3 to 6 gram it is given, and its Shita Kashaya, its preparation 20 to 30 ml is given. And its Amaika Prayoga, we can prepare the Shita Kashaya. It can be indicated in Jwara, Daha, Trishna, along with Sharkara it can be given. And water processed with Dhanyaka and Shunti. It can be given in Ama, Amavata and it is Mutrala. Milk along with Dhanyaka and Shunti. It can be administered in Vatarakta. Now we will see its yogas, the available formulations. Formulations are Dhanya Panchaka Kashaya and Dhanyaka Hima. So Dhanyaka Hima we can prepare in our home itself, and Dhanya Panchakola Kashaya it is available in pharmacies, and these are most beneficial preparations among Dhanyaka. And that was all about Dhanyaka. I hope you all are clear with this drug. You can go through and listen repeatedly. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Until next class, stay tuned, stay healthy, stay curious. Thank you.